Hi, I'm Lanie, and the recipe I submitted is for peanut butter bars. It was my grandmother's recipe from when she was a school cook, and actually I come from a long line of school cooks. It was a very simple recipe, all the ingredients you have on hand, and it feeds a lot of people, which goes back to the school days, and it's very delicious. And then when my grandma retired, I asked her for the recipe, and from then on I've carried it out more into the public, and every potluck I take it to, it's gone. I hardly bring any home, and everybody wants the recipe. It is my all-time favorite potluck recipe that you can do ahead of time, and it feeds a lot of people, and it's delicious. I can see when the people that I went to school with or cousins eat it, they go, "This is from the school, isn't it?" And I say, "Yeah, do you remember the peanut butter bars?" And they immediately have flashbacks to the good peanut butter bars that they ate at the school. Yeah, I've never submitted any other recipe for a contest before, so this has really surprised me, and I'm glad that it won. I think it does deserve to win. And I thank my grandma and my aunts for giving me the recipe.